Hi, my name's Leanne Laing and I run a business called Your Body by Design, which is a strength, health and fitness coaching company for people who want to have strong, sexy, healthy bodies. What I have gotten out of this program, the three takeaways that I've really gotten clear for myself is that I have got the areas of my business that are weak and where I'm strong, and the areas that I needed to go to work on and that were really important, that would make a difference for my business. The second thing I got was to speak up when I was struggling and get the help that I needed. Having the courage and the confidence to open my mouth and go, I need help, and put my hand up and get what I need. And the third takeaway would be, this is a program for women. There's a lot of women in this program, and what I got was I'm not alone. There are many women out there in the same boat as I am, and you get the support and the help that you need. And you don't have to do it alone. It's a great space to be in. Very safe space, actually. So yeah, they're my three takeaways.